Hi, welcome back to Backup World. Today we'll learn about managed volumes backup in Rubrik. So, what is managed volumes and types of managed volumes, backup managed volumes, and recover managed volumes. So, managed volumes is one of the type of backup for SQL, Oracle, PostgreSQL, SAP HANA, NAS filers. By using managed volume, we can take backup, which is a script based. So ports should be the same ports for SQL, Oracle, SAP HANA, Postgre. So same ports we should open like SQL 137, 138, 139, and 12800, 12801 for Oracle 2049. 32764269. Those ports we should open. So once ports are opened bidirectionally between Rubrik cluster and the client server, so we will be able to take backup of them. So there are two types of managed volumes: standard and SLA assigned managed volumes. We'll discuss about standard and SLA assigned and backup and recover managed volumes. We'll discuss. So navigation is inventory managed volumes. So once we click on managed volumes, we'll get option to add volume. So once we select add volume, we will get option to volume, provide volume name, provision size, rubric cluster name, subnet, protocol, NFS or SMB. NFS is for Linux based servers, all Unix flavor servers, and SMB is for Windows flavor servers. And client name, we can give patterns here, and a number of channels. We can provide number of channels. And application tags. Application tags is we can select the option if it is SQL, Microsoft SQL, Oracle. We can select Oracle there. PostgreSQL. We can select the type of application. Then once we have added the managed volume, we can see this creating volume. Once volume is created, then uh, we'll be able to take backup manually from web GUI or APIs. Through APIs we can take backup of that volume. So next, SLA managed volume. Since SLA managed volumes, uh, when we click add volume, we will get similar kind of options: managed volume name and provision size, rubric cluster, IP address or host name, FTDN, and we can provide number of channels, subnet, and application tags we can update here. Apart from that, we will get few more options to add here, like protocol. If it is Windows server, protocol would be here automatically here prompted here. Domain name, username, and Active Directory groups we can update there. So then we have to provide mount point path here under channel. Then there is an option to provide script. Script is given by DB teams. So as DB team provided, we should update script here and add it here. So once volume is added, then volume is ready to assign SLA domain. So select volume and assign SLA domain. As we know how to create SLA domain, the same SLA domain we can update here. SLA domain will be handled by, I mean, SLA domain will be contained, local cluster, replication, archival locations, and retention period, backup times, everything. So then In managed volumes, backup must be triggered manually from web GUI or API. If it is SLA managed volumes, it requires to SLA to be assigned to managed volume. Once SLA domain is assigned, then it will trigger as per SLA domain instructions like backup start time and all the details it will taken from SLA domain. SLA will be here. There should be RBS agent should be installed. So once RBS agent is installed, then uh, it will take care of the script when no SLA when job runs. So recovery manage volume. Now there is two options like recovery files. We can recover individual files or folders, or we can recover entire snapshot. So as per our requirement, we can perform the recovery. So there ends today's session. Thank you. Please do subscribe and like the video.